Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. If you guys don't know what NIO is, it's basically an EV company that's based out of China. They produce luxury electric vehicles, right? So it's a pretty big market. As you guys know, Tesla has seen a lot of success with it. NIO basically does the exact same thing, but it's just based out of China instead. And I had a few people ask me, is now a good time to buy NIO stock? It's $41.60. It's starting to get pretty expensive compared to where it was, 3 to 4 months ago, where, NIO stock was sitting around $7, $8 a share. Is NIO going to drop anytime soon? Is there going to be a dip on NIO? Is NIO going to crash and stuff like that? And what I always say, guys, is no one can really predict the future. No one can really know what direction NIO is going to be headed in right now, but NIO does have a lot of good things going for it, which is why I think NIO is going to continue climbing before we actually see a little bit of a pullback. And why do I think that? Well, one, NIO just announced yesterday that they're releasing a bigger and better battery. You guys have no idea how much this actually means to the whole EV market in itself. NIO being able to produce a bigger and better battery, it goes to show that NIO is growing, it's expanding, and it's starting to get more innovative, right? The biggest thing, or the biggest complaint when it comes to electric vehicles, is the battery, right? A lot of people are like, oh, the battery doesn't have enough charge. It can't take me to the destinations I want to go to without having to stop and charge it. So NIO unveiling a bigger and better battery is absolutely huge news for NIO. It shows that NIO is using technology. It's becoming innovative, and it continues to grow more and more every single day. On top of all that, NIO continuously keeps getting analyst upgrades, right? So you have JP Morgan, who tripled their analyst upgrade to $40, and you also have Deutsche Bank, who upgraded their basically price target to $34 as well. So on top of all that, NIO getting 2 price targets basically in a week, 2 price raises, it goes to show that, people are starting to get more bullish on NIO. Like I said, Q3 revenue, they expected $560 million. Who knows what they're expecting by Q4, right? They're not only that, but NIO in October did beat their delivery estimates as well. Goes to show that NIO in itself is growing, right? It has so much good news just coming its way. I honestly don't think that there's going to be a pullback with NIO in the next couple of weeks. Like I said, I could be wrong. Everything I say in my video, guys, is not financial advice. It's all speculation and just opinion. But I do think NIO is worth a buy at $41.60 because you don't know what NIO is going to do next, right? Let's say you wake up Monday morning and NIO pre-market is $46. And then you're like, oh, okay, I should have bought it when it was $41. And then soon enough, guys, NIO is going to be $50, $100, $150, $200. And then you guys are like, okay, I should have bought it then, right? So you always have to take a risk, guys. Investing is all risk, right? And, you guys have to just, if you're bullish about a stock, pick it up, buy it. And, if you truly believe in the company, then NIO is going to go ahead and do that for you, right? If you believe in NIO, then it's going to bring great things for you, right? So like I said, I've always said this in all my videos. I picked up NIO when it was about $14 a share. It's when I first started to kind of learn about the company. I read a lot of articles about it and basically what they do. And I was like, that right there is an investment. And yes, investing in an EV startup is risky. My investment in NIO when I bought it at $14 a share was risky, but it did end up paying off. And I'm still holding NIO for a long time because I know that NIO has so much more room to grow. Like I said, based out of China, already expanding to Europe. They're beating delivery estimates. They're coming up with bigger and better batteries, cheaper cars, better technology, updated technology. It goes to show that NIO as a company and all its avenues are looking very bright for the actual company itself. And now, guys, you have to understand that NIO is a bigger company than General Motors. General Motors has been around for such a long time. NIO IPO'd only a couple years ago. Looking at the 5-year chart, guys, this thing IPO'd September 12th of 2018. So it's been on the market for about 2 years. I think NIO was founded in 2016. I could stand corrected on that, but based on it all, a company that's been around for about 2 to 4 years and it's already bigger than General Motors, that's basically been doing business for a very long time, guys. So this is something to take in consideration that, and it leads people to ask, is NIO the next Tesla? Now, like I said, there's always going to be argumentative points behind that. Is NIO going to be the next Tesla? In my opinion, I think NIO is going to be the next Tesla because NIO's already headed in that trajectory path. It's growing. It's coming out with all these vehicles that people love. And if people didn't love the vehicles, guys, it wouldn't be beating its delivery estimates. It wouldn't continue expanding, basically making better cars with better technology, better batteries. Now they're working on a self-driving chip. And on top of all that, guys, they got NIO Day coming up where they're going to be unveiling all these projects and all the stuff that's going to come for the company in the next couple of years. I believe that sometime in January, But it goes to show, you know, I mean, guys, look at the 1-year chart. It is up 1,871%. Like I said, and I've said this in previous videos, NIO is the biggest growth stock of 2020. And like I said, you know, you guys should not wait to buy NIO stock. I don't think it's a good idea because NIO stock is going to be headed up, up, up. And I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. Like I said, surrounding all the good news that's been coming its way, you know, a lot of people are getting super, super bullish about NIO stock. And not only NIO in general, though, guys, it's all about the whole EV market in itself. A lot of people are bullish on the EV market because they see the long-term gain from the EV market in itself, right? You know, the EV market's starting to mature. The demand is there. You guys have to understand, you know, NIO is no Tesla, but Tesla back in 2003 when it was founded, a lot of people thought the same thing they did at NIO when NIO was trading around $2 a share, that, okay, this company is going to fail. It's not going to make it. It takes time to get the company going. But the advantage that NIO has over Tesla is that the fact that, you know, NIO started in a time where the demand for electric cars was already here. You guys have to understand that it's a whole different market. Technology is a lot more updated. So NIO can produce better batteries, better features in their cars, you know, better cars in general as well. Now, I'm not saying that NIO's cars are better than Tesla. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying that the time that NIO entered the market is a lot better pitch than when Tesla entered the market. Back in 2003, technology was not as advanced and updated as it is now. So NIO can bring a lot more to the table. Following the business model, keeping the brand name clean, NIO is expanding every single day. And like I said, guys, do not wait to buy NIO stock, right? Sitting at $41.60, I still think this stock is an absolute bargain. And the reason I say this is because, like I said, NIO just started to grow, guys. It hasn't hit the pinnacle of growth yet, right? Once it starts expanding more, once it raises more capital, you're going to see NIO expanding all over, right? As soon as it hits the United States, you know, then what? Then NIO's going to be trading at $100 a share, $200 a share. And it goes to show that NIO in itself is a big growth story, guys. A lot of people didn't believe in NIO, but they're believing in it now. And it goes to show, and NIO proved itself, guys. It proved it. Talked the talk, it walked the walk, and it's here today, $41.60 a share. I remember at the beginning of the year, this thing was trading at around $3 or $4. It's crazy to see how much growth has actually come. And even in the state of a pandemic, guys, when, you know, a lot of companies aren't doing well, and NIO's been able to expand and beat its delivery estimates. And NIO's a shocking company, guys. It's been able to prove everybody wrong. NIO continues to grow more and more every single day. And the last point I want to touch on before the video ends, guys, is where's NIO price stock headed? What's your NIO stock price prediction? Truly but surely. So for me, based, of course, all in my opinion, guys, I think by the end of the year, I think NIO will be a $75 share. It could be less, it could be more, but I think it's going to be $75 a share by the end of the year. And the reason I say this is because, like I said, guys, NIO continues to expand more and more every day. And I know they have a lot of stuff that's coming that they're going to be unveiling. Soon enough, they're going to be getting more analyst price targets. And it's going to show that, you know, that NIO in itself is ready to grow. And I do see NIO being a $100 stock, a $200 stock, and maybe even a $300 stock, guys. You have to understand that I'm super, super bullish on NIO stock. I'm super bullish on the whole EV industry in itself. And I know that NIO has a lot more room to grow, which makes the vision of NIO hitting $100, $200, $300 a more visible mindset. Although, like I said, guys, patience is key when it comes to NIO stock. You don't have to rush. It doesn't have to hit all-time highs every single day. But on the overall outlook of NIO stock, I am super, super bullish on NIO. And I think NIO is worth the investment at $41.60. Do not wait, guys, because you never know that you may never get a dip on NIO stock. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock is worth an investment at $41.60? How many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.